MoKo inline skates for kids, children's inline skates, adjustable roller skates for girls, boys, blades, inline roller with light-up wheel skates for teens for outdoor backyard skating. Adjustable inline skates, 2 sizes available, small size, 185 to 210 mm for kids, medium size, 220 to 245 mm for youth and young adult. The adjustable inline skates are perfect for growing up children. Please check our size chart and choose the proper size for your kids. 8 wheels illuminating. It shines with colorful lights when skating that adds cool style to the skates and offers more fun to your kid. No battery needed. DIKASHI adjustable roller blade skates for boys, girls ages, inline skates for kids, adults, women, men size, light up roller blades with beginners outdoor. Adjustable inline skates. DIKASHI roller blades have 3 different size, S/M/L. And each size is adjustable. With just one button, you can easily adjust the size. If your kids age between 3 to 7 years, you may choose small, J13-1.5. Tip: if your size is 1.5, please choose medium, big kid, 2 to 4.5, for your kids' growth. Please make sure to choose the correct size via Marcent inline skates, adjustable for kids, roller blades, adults, women, boys, and girls, beginners with light-up wheels. The 4 adjustable sizes are ideal for your young kids to grow up using them. You can easily size changing with side push button. Please confirm the size chart and detail page before choosing the right one. Light-up skates, 4-wheel inline skates with single brake on right foot, showcased in a unique design, and light-up wheels for day and night fun. No battery needed. Please check and tight wheels regularly to prevent them falling off. Premium quality and triple protection. The skates are made of aluminum frame, polyurethane wheels, ABEC 7-speed bearings, and breathable honeycomb upper.